We want to edit this header section to look good on our site. So let's edit the header. Then from the navigation, select Header. Here we get an interface that allows us to edit the header. You can see there's the primary menu on the left side, site title and logo in the middle, and a button on the right. Let's rearrange this header. We don't really need this button since we have everything we need in the menu. So we'll click the X to remove it. Then let's drag the primary menu to the right side of the header, and we'll add the site title and logo to the left side. Now let's update our site's logo. To do this, click Site Title and Logo, and then click Change Logo. I'll upload a logo from my files on the computer. Don't forget to make sure title and alt text are set, and then click Select. You may be prompted to crop your image. In my case, I already have the cropping the way I want on the image, so I'll click Skip. And if the logo doesn't show up right away for you, check the left side here. You might have this little toggle checked that says Different Logo for Retina Devices. If we untoggle that, the logo appears. So you can set different logos depending on what kind of screen your viewer's device has. Now this logo is massive in the header, so let's shrink it down. To do that, we can grab this logo width slider and drag it to the left until it's a reasonable size that fits with our design. Something like that looks nice. You can also set site title visibility. Our site title is currently Coffee House, which we want to update. If you don't have a logo, you may want to use this so that the title of the site appears in the header on desktop, tablet, and/or mobile. Right now, we're not seeing it because it's white text, and that's just fine because I already have the logo, so we'll remove that.